ahead and install the wig, and I just kind of wanted to have fun, so I just played in some quick curls. Now you guys know I've done the fake scalp from Hairvivi once before. I decided to do it once again, and this one I love just as much as the other. I will say that I wish it was a little bit fuller at the bottom so that the curls would do a little bit more, but it's gorgeous nonetheless. You can even go ahead and put it behind your ears. Now this is a lace front wig, and you're definitely able to part it all around. It did come with a nice side part, and I decided to just keep it as is. But my favorite part again is the fake scalp. When I did the one from Hairvivi last week, or maybe it was like 2 weeks ago, what I loved about it was that I was able to pretty much install. I did not need a wig cap. I did not need to bleach knots. I didn't need to add an elastic band. I didn't need got to be glued. I literally didn't need anything to be able to achieve a flawless look. And pretty much this one delivered the same exact way. The only thing I will say is that I did end up using powder and my leg spray, just, you know, out of habit. But really and truly, you don't need anything. And speaking of habit, I have a bad habit of touching my hair when I'm done, just literally purely out of habit. I decided to add a little bit of curl to add a little bit of body. I definitely will say I wish that the curl held a little bit better, but you guys know the drill. Whenever you do curls with like such a large curling iron, normally you have to use curling spray and sometimes even pin curl it for the curls to last a little bit better. If you really want an awesome curl and an awesome hold, definitely opt for a wand curler, and you'll definitely get a better like tighter curl. Also, this wig was pre-plucked. I did go in and lightly customize it myself, just again out of habit. I'm so used to customizing my wigs from start to finish that it's kind of hard to really just not do any customization. But I like the little light layers that I added, and you know, it kind of made for a nice deep side bang. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Also, let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me here on the channel. Again, this one comes from Hairvivi. A link to this wig as well as a list of everything I used to achieve this look is listed in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.